Onwunwa bia odiko wakasia, Onwunwa bia odiko wejedebe, Onwunwa bia odiko wakasia, weje kubolisa omesi ogademma, Onwunwa bia odiko wakasia.
These are the words of Nigerian Highlife musician Celestine Ukwu of blessed memory, sang in this song, Onwunwa. When trial comes, it seems the world has come to an end. But if we look up to God and do the right things, it shall all be well. These lyrics were written decades ago, but they describe what ordinary Nigerians in the southeastern part of Nigeria went through during the Biafra War, and what trials and hardships from that time period still look like today, in Nigeria. If you are Nigerian, or care about the future of Nigeria, watch till the end. Subscribe to Say a Prayer Guys. May Nigeria never happen to you. Comment your thoughts, and share this video. Be part of a community that refuses to stay silent. Celestine Ukwu was born on December 17, 1940, in Enugu State, southeastern Nigeria. Before his tragic death in a car accident in 1977, he had become one of Nigeria's most influential highlife musicians. His music reflected the lives of ordinary Nigerians, their struggles, their hopes, and the lessons they could draw from hardship. His song Onwunwa, meaning trials or hardships, was released in 1971 and captures the essence of survival during times when life seemed unbearable. During the Biafra War, millions of Nigerians in the southeastern part of Nigeria faced unimaginable hardships. Families were cut off from food and medical supplies due to blockades. Children went hungry, often starving to death in their thousands at that time. Communities were bombed and displaced. Towns were abandoned. Ordinary people had no choice but to navigate fear, uncertainty, and loss every single day, for about 3 years. Imagine waking up to a city where markets are empty, and basic necessities like water and food are impossible to find. Where the constant threat of violence looms overhead in the forms of air raids and bombings. Entire families, villages, towns, cities were forced to flee their homes, walking hundreds of miles with nothing but what they could carry, most of them arriving at previously unknown destinations, in companies of complete strangers, only to have to move on again to more unknown destinations. Mothers risked their lives to feed their children. Fathers struggled to protect families with no weapons, no support, and no guarantee of safety. Hospitals did not exist except rare humanitarian service providers. People died from preventable causes, malnutrition, disease, and exposure. Survival was a daily battle, and fear palpable and unending. Even after the war, accountability has never happened. Colonel Ben Billay and others involved in the January 15, 1966 coup were never tried for their actions. They had plotted a seizure of power, yet history moved forward without justice. Decades later, the pattern repeats. In 2025, another coup attempt was uncovered. Names are known, facts are clear, and once again, no accountability follows. This is not random. The structures of power in Nigeria have long protected themselves. Many leaders today are more interested in building personal empires than creating systems that serve Nigeria and Nigerians. Policies are designed to protect influence and wealth, ignoring the citizens who depend on them. Ordinary Nigerians continue to bear the costs of these choices that they did not make, just as they did decades ago. The military, which might have held leaders accountable, cannot fully confront the government today, because many political and traditional leaders are former military officers. Power did not leave Nigeria, it only changed uniforms. And the ordinary Nigerian remains at the mercy of these cycles. Onwunwa reminds us that trials will come. They may feel overwhelming, evil and injustice may seem dominant, but patience, moral courage, and doing what is right can see a nation through. Nigerian leaders need to guide with fairness and human dignity, make decisions that prioritize the welfare of citizens, ensure justice and accountability, provide essential services, and resist the urge to build personal empires. Only then can Nigeria's story change for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Our full live stream on this topic is out now on our YouTube channel at May Nigeria Never Happened to You. Subscribe, comment, share, and be part of a community that refuses to ignore history or repeat the same mistakes. Let's keep Nigeria in focus, together. May Nigeria happen for all Nigerians and friends of Nigeria.